In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily adjust the anchor point of a layer in your project. This technique is essential for anyone looking to precisely control the rotation or scaling of a layer, as the anchor point is the pivot around which these transformations occur. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to select the layer you intend to modify within the timeline. This is your starting point, because the layer you choose will determine which element you are adjusting. Once you've clicked on your desired layer, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, we need to activate a specific tool, the Pan Behind tool, also known as the Anchor Point tool. This can be done quickly by pressing the letter Y on your keyboard. Utilizing keyboard shortcuts is always an efficient way to navigate and manipulate your workspace without having to search through menus. Once you've activated the Pan Behind tool, you'll notice your cursor change, indicating that you can now edit the anchor point. With the tool activated, focus your attention on the Composition panel. Here, you'll see an icon that looks like a tiny target or a crosshair. This is the icon representing your layer's anchor point. It's important to keep your eye on this as you make adjustments, because its position directly affects the layer's transformations. Click on this anchor point crosshair and hold down your mouse button. You'll be able to drag it to your desired location within the Composition panel. Keep in mind that the placement of this anchor point can drastically change how your layer rotates or scales. Therefore, it's worth taking a moment to consider where exactly you want to position it. Once you have dragged the anchor point to its new location, you're almost ready to wrap things up. But before moving on, you should switch back to the Selection tool, which you can do by pressing the V key on your keyboard. This step is crucial because the Selection tool allows you to go back to your regular layer interactions, like moving or scaling the layer without inadvertently altering the anchor point again. You'll find that switching tools with shortcuts like these can save you a lot of time and streamline your workflow. By following this simple process, you have effectively repositioned the anchor point of your chosen layer, giving you more control over how the layer behaves when transformations are applied. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps until you feel comfortable with the process. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you achieve those precise adjustments you're looking to make in your next project.